Have you ever wondered why our energy seems to wane as the years pile on? That bounce in our step from our 20s can feel like a distant memory. This isn't just about feeling tired, it's a sign of a deeper cellular process unfolding within us. We often accept this gradual decline as an inevitable part of life, a natural consequence of the clock ticking forward. But what if we could influence this process? What if there was a way to support our bodies at the most fundamental level, helping our cells maintain their youthful vigor for longer? The quest for longevity is no longer confined to myth. It's happening right now in laboratories worldwide. This fascinating journey into healthy aging has led scientists to a remarkable molecule called nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN. It might sound complex, but its role is surprisingly straightforward and vital. Think of NMN as a key raw material for your body's cellular power plants. As we get older, our natural supply of this crucial ingredient diminishes, contributing to the familiar signs of aging. The exciting prospect is that by replenishing our NMN levels, we might be able to slow down this decline and preserve our cellular function, effectively turning back the clock on a microscopic scale. This isn't about chasing immortality or promising a magical cure-all. Instead, it's about extending our health span, the number of years we live in good health, free from chronic disease, full of vitality. The modern approach to longevity focuses on understanding the biological mechanisms of aging and finding ways to support them. It's a proactive strategy, shifting the focus from treating age-related ailments after they appear to maintaining cellular health throughout our lives, to prevent them from taking hold in the first place. To truly understand the excitement surrounding NMN, we first need to talk about its superstar partner, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+. This coenzyme is one of the most important molecules in your body, present in every single cell. You can think of NAD+ as the body's essential utility worker. It's crucial for converting the food we eat into the energy our cells need to function, a process you might remember from biology class called metabolism. Without sufficient NAD+, our cellular engines would grind to a halt. It's absolutely fundamental for life, playing a central role in hundreds of metabolic reactions that keep us alive and well. The problem is, our natural levels of NAD+ decline significantly as we age. By the time we reach middle age, our NAD+ levels can be half of what they were in our youth. This decline is a key hallmark of the aging process, and is linked to a wide range of age-related health issues. When NAD+ levels fall, our cells struggle to produce energy, our ability to repair damaged DNA is compromised, and our internal communication systems start to falter. This creates a domino effect that contributes to everything from fatigue and mental fog to more serious conditions that become more common as we get older. This is where NMN enters the picture. Our bodies can't easily absorb NAD+ directly from supplements. However, they are very good at taking smaller precursor molecules and building them into NAD+. NMN is precisely that, a direct and efficient precursor to NAD+. When you take NMN, it is rapidly absorbed and converted into NAD+ within your cells. In essence, supplementing with NMN is like providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs to replenish its dwindling supply of this critical coenzyme. One of the first things people often report when taking NMN is a noticeable increase in energy and endurance. This makes perfect sense when you consider the role of NAD+ in cellular energy production. By raising NAD+ levels, NMN helps to supercharge the mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses inside our cells. This enhanced energy metabolism gives you more physical stamina for exercise, for daily tasks, and fights the pervasive fatigue that can often accompany aging. It's a fundamental boost starting at the cellular level, helping you feel more vibrant throughout the day, from morning until night. Beyond energy, NMN helps maintain the integrity of our genetic blueprint. DNA is constantly under attack from environmental factors and the byproducts of our own metabolism. Our bodies rely on proteins called sirtuins. They act as a cellular repair crew. Sirtuins need NAD+ to function. When NAD+ is high, sirtuins are activated, repairing broken DNA strands, protecting our genome. NMN boosting NAD+ keeps this repair crew on call. The benefits extend to the brain. The brain uses about 20% of the body's energy, yet is only about 2% of body weight. As NAD+ declines with age, cognition can suffer, causing memory lapses and reduced mental clarity. Restoring NAD+ with NMN may support brain health, enhance neuronal communication, and protect brain cells from age-related damage. that can help preserve memory, focus, and learning ability, keeping our minds sharp and resilient as we age. Finally, NMN supports metabolic and cardiovascular health. It improves insulin sensitivity, helping manage blood sugar effectively. That supports maintaining a healthy weight and reduces the risk of metabolic syndrome. NAD+ also supports blood vessel health, promoting healthy circulation and preserving artery elasticity. This combined support for heart and metabolism helps healthy aging, keeping our internal systems running smoothly for decades to come. The scientific community has been buzzing with excitement over NMN, and for good reason. Early research, primarily in animal models, laid a foundation of incredible promise. In one landmark study from Harvard University, led by Dr. David Sinclair, older mice given NMN showed remarkable signs of rejuvenation. Their mitochondrial function improved, their muscle endurance improved, their blood vessel density improved. It was as if these elderly mice had discovered their own fountain of youth in a water bottle, demonstrating that key aspects of aging could be reversed at a biological level, at least in rodents. Of course, the crucial question is whether these benefits translate to humans. Fortunately, recent years have seen a surge in human clinical trials, and the results are incredibly encouraging. A key study published in the journal Science investigated the effects of NMN on pre-diabetic women. The results showed that NMN supplementation significantly improved their muscles' insulin sensitivity, bringing it back to a healthier, more normal level. This was a pivotal finding, as it was one of the first robust trials to demonstrate a clear metabolic benefit of NMN in people, directly linking it to improved health markers. Another important human trial conducted in Japan focused on the effects of NMN on healthy older men. The study found that afternoon supplementation of NMN improved muscle function and mobility. Participants who took NMN showed better performance in tests of walking speed. Participants who took NMN showed better performance in tests of grip strength. This research provided direct evidence that NMN could help counteract the age-related decline in physical performance, helping people stay active and independent for longer. With any supplement that gains this much attention, questions about safety and proper usage are paramount. The good news is that human clinical trials have consistently found NMN to be safe and well tolerated. In the studies conducted so far, participants have taken NMN daily for several weeks or months without reporting any significant adverse side effects. This strong safety profile is reassuring, suggesting that when used responsibly, NMN does not pose a major risk to health. When it comes to dosage, the science is still evolving, but a general consensus is beginning to form based on the successful human trials. Most studies have used daily doses ranging from 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams. Some individuals, particularly those who are older or have specific health goals, may opt for higher doses, sometimes up to 1,000 milligrams or 1 gram per day. It is generally recommended to start with a lower dose, such as 250 milligrams, to see how your body responds before considering an increase. As with any supplement, it is always a wise idea to consult with your doctor before adding NMN to your routine. The quality of the NMN supplement you choose is also incredibly important. The market has become flooded with products, and not all are created equal. It's essential to look for a reputable brand that provides third-party testing for purity, potency. This ensures that you are actually getting the amount of NMN stated on the label and that the product is free from contaminants. High-purity NMN is more likely to be effective and safe, so doing a little research to find a trusted supplier is a worthwhile investment in your health and peace of mind. Ultimately, NMN should be viewed as one component of a holistic approach to healthy aging. It is not a magic bullet that can replace a healthy lifestyle. The greatest benefits will always come from combining smart supplementation with the fundamentals: a balanced diet, regular physical activity, sufficient sleep, stress management. Think of NMN as a powerful ally that works alongside these healthy habits, amplifying their positive effects and providing your cells with the foundational support they need to thrive. By integrating NMN thoughtfully, you can create a comprehensive strategy for promoting vitality and longevity from the inside out.